Oh no! This little bumblebee needs flowers. Can you help me get the bumblebee flowers? You will? Great! Hi friends! I'm Miss Kristen, and today we're going to make a bumblebee craft where we help our bumblebee friend find the flowers. It's going to be so much fun. Come on, let's go. Let's build a fun bumblebee craft together. I have a paper plate that I painted yellow, some construction paper strips, a pipe cleaner, 2 eyes, and the center of a paper plate to make the wings. First, let's start by adding the wings. How many wings do we have? 1, 2. We have 2 wings. We're gonna flip our plate over and add some glue. Squeeze out our glue. Squeeze it out. You can use a glue stick too if you have a glue stick at home. Let's put some more glue over here for the other side. Glue, glue, glue. Let's put our wings on. 1, and we're gonna hold them on. Let's count to 5 while we hold them on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now let's turn our paper plate back over. Now let's add the stripes. What color are our stripes? They're black, and we have 3 black stripes. Let's glue them on. Let's do 1 stripe. Put our paper on the top. Let's do 1 in the middle. Put the paper on and 1 on the bottom. Friends, this is an activity from our learning box. If you are interested in getting a learning box of your very own, have your parents send an email to the email address on the screen and I'll get them more information. Now, let's put the eyes on our bumblebee. Bumblebees have 2 eyes. 1, 2. These are big eyes. Buzz. I'm a buzzy bee. Buzz. Let's put our eyes on. Now, let's use our pipe cleaner to make antennas. We're gonna fold our pipe cleaner in half. Do you know what color we're using? Yellow. Good job. Let's turn our bumblebee back over and put some glue right here to hold on our antennas. Put it in and let's count to 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did it! We finished our bumblebee craft, and isn't it so cute? Can you buzz around and flap your wings like a bumblebee? Buzz! Buzz! Great job! Friends, look! The flowers appeared! Buzz! Our bumblebee loves the flowers! Buzz! What color flowers do you see? There's red and yellow and white and purple. Thank you so much for helping our bumblebee find the flowers. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Did you have fun learning and crafting with me today? If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an episode of Pre-K with Kristen, where we play, learn, and grow together because learning is always fun. I'll see you next time, friends. Bye.